Everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out in my garden, going to be planting some of my onions. I know a lot of you have planted yours already, but I've just got round to planting mine. These are a Stuttgarter Rising. These are just the sets. You can see I've got a big bag here. I don't know, I might try some of these at the allotment, I'm not sure yet, but because most of the time I usually plant them in containers and it's convenient for me to use the stalks when I'm cooking as well. So these are what was in the tub. These came up from last year, but I've pulled them out to put in some new ones. I'm still going to be using these because I'm going to be doing some cooking in a week, and those I can use for my cooking. So I'm going to put these in. You know, I always try and look for those ones what's already sprouted. I've got some so I'll usually try and put them about 10 centimeters apart. What you do, just put them in so that you can see the top of them. Once you can see the top of them, then you know where they are. Just looking for the ones that's already started sprouting. That way I know I'm on to a good thing start already. Every year we always buy this amount of stuff, and then what happens is you don't use all of it. Put them on the ground here. So I'm going to do these, and when I put them all in, then I'll show you what it looks like before I chop them up. Right everyone, so I've got my onion sets in. Get my cameraman to zoom in on it so you can see how I set mine out. Might look like there's a lot in there, but most of the time we mostly use the stalks as for cooking, which when they come up, and then I'd leave the bulbs. If the bulbs are big enough, then I use those as well, but if they're not, I just use the stalk. So right, on top of that now, I'm going to put some of my Epsom salt, just a light sprinkling. I'm going to put some chicken manure pellets. I'm going to put a light sprinkling of bloodfish and bone. I don't like this one. This one is so powdery. You just have to let the wind blow it. With this one now, just going to start covering it. So I've got some light, you can see it's a nice rich compost. So we're just going to cover it on top. I don't put a thick layer on it, I just put a finished layer just to cover it. I hope you're all enjoying these videos. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel. It's a channel that just for those of you who think you can't garden, don't worry too much. It's all trial and error to me really. You plant things, some things grow, some things don't. You have problems with some things just take off. So it's all about learning what to plant and when to plant it. And I hope by me doing this channel it's a help to you all. I know some people's watching and say, oh, you don't plant onions like that, you don't do this like that. But don't worry about what other people's doing, do what you do. that's just a thin layer of compost. So that's my onions, that's how I plant my onions. So please like, share and subscribe and tell a friend, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.